Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Philately and exploring how you can turn your passion for stamps into a successful business. If you've ever thought about becoming a stamp dealer in your local community or want to start a profitable venture in this niche industry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step to becoming a stamp dealer is understanding the industry. Philately, the study and collection of stamps, has been a beloved hobby for centuries, but it's also a viable business opportunity. Did you know that some rare stamps sell for millions of dollars? While those cases are exceptional, even common stamps can bring steady profits if you know your market. Start by researching the basics. Familiarize yourself with stamp grading, popular themes like wildlife or history, and the tools of the trade, such as catalogs like Scott or Stanley Gibbons. And remember, specialization is key. You could focus on stamps from a specific region or era, or cater to collectors looking for thematic stamps. Let's take inspiration from successful stamp dealers who started small and built thriving businesses. For example, Stanley Gibbons, one of the most renowned names in philately, began in 1856 when Edward Stanley Gibbons started selling stamps from his father's chemist shop in Plymouth, England. Today, it's a global leader in stamp dealing, offering high-quality stamps and collectibles to enthusiasts worldwide. These examples show that with passion, strategy, and a commitment to building relationships, anyone can succeed in this field. Now let's talk numbers. What kind of profit margins can you expect? While it varies, most dealers aim for a markup of 50% to 200% on common stamps. Rare or sought-after stamps can fetch even higher profits. For instance, a stamp purchased for $50 at an estate sale might sell for $200 if it's in excellent condition and in demand. Keep in mind that your initial investments might include stock purchases, catalogs, and display materials. However, with a strategic approach, you can quickly recover these costs. Speaking of sourcing, auctions, estate sales, and online platforms like eBay or Del Campe are excellent places to find stamps at competitive prices. And don't underestimate the power of your local community. Hosting stamp fairs or collaborating with local collectors can uncover hidden gems. One of the best ways to grow your stamp business and connect with the local community is by hosting a stamp show. Here's how you can do it. First, find a suitable venue like a community hall or library. Make sure there's enough space for tables and displays. Reach out to fellow collectors and dealers to participate. You can charge a small booth fee to cover costs. Next, advertise your event. Use local newspapers, social media, and community boards to spread the word. On the day of the show, create a welcoming atmosphere with clear signage and a variety of displays to attract both serious collectors and casual visitors. At the show, showcase your inventory in an organized and visually appealing way. Group stamps by theme, era, or country, and provide clear pricing. Offer retail packs for beginners and curated sets for advanced collectors. Having a mix of affordable and premium items ensures there's something for everyone. You can also set up an appraisal booth to evaluate visitors' collections. This not only adds value to your event, but can also help you discover new inventory. So, how do you become a successful entrepreneur in the philately business? Here are my top tips. 1. Build trust. Integrity is everything. Be transparent about the condition and value of your stamps. Provide certificates of authenticity for high-value items. 2. Network. Join philatelic societies and attend local stamp exhibitions. The more connections you make, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your business. 3. Educate yourself. Stay updated on trends. For example, stamps featuring popular events or anniversaries often see a spike in demand. 4. Leverage technology. Create an online presence through platforms like eBay, Hipstamp, or even your own website. Social media can also help you reach a broader audience. 5. Offer value-added services. Consider offering appraisals, stamp restoration, or even hosting educational workshops to attract customers. And there you have it. Becoming a stamp dealer can be a rewarding and lucrative venture if you combine your passion with smart strategies. Remember, every great business starts with a single step. So start small, stay focused, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on niche businesses and entrepreneurship. Have questions or stories about your stamp journey? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy collecting.